Double rank up in Valorant, which means to skip a rank and gain 2 ranks at once. The most common way is to have significantly higher MMR than your current visible rank, usually occurring after a ranked season reset when your placement matches determine your new rank. If your MMR is high enough compared to your assigned rank, the system may automatically promote you 2 ranks instead of 1. Here's some key points to keep in mind. Number 1 is the placement matches after a season reset. This is the most likely scenario where you might experience a double rank up, as the system is trying to adjust your visible rank to match your actual skill level based on your MMR. Second one here is the high MMR disparity. The key factor is having a significantly higher MMR than your current rank. And the third one, which is not guaranteed. Even with high MMR, a double rank up is not guaranteed and depends on the system's calculation based on your performance in placement matches. Now, how do we improve our chances of a double rank up? Well, consistently win and play at a high level during your placement games to demonstrate your true skill. Winning consistently throughout the ranked season will naturally increase your MMR, making a double rank up more possible. And also teaming up with players of similar or higher skill level can improve your chances of winning matches and boosting your MMR. That's basically how we double rank up in Valorant. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.